Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Osu Rover on Roblox. Start by joining a server and selecting a map that fits your skill level, then customize controls in settings for responsiveness. Learn timing by watching approach circles and practicing slow maps first, gradually increasing speed as you hit more notes. Use headphones to catch subtle audio cues and warm up with 3 practice runs before attempting ranked maps for better consistency and score. Start by binding comfortable keys and testing mouse sensitivity until rover turns feel natural. Lower sensitivity if you overshoot turns, or raise it if you can't react quickly. Use the in-game test area to trial values. Toggle visual indicators and offset settings so approach circles align with sound, then save a preset for each playstyle. Practice regularly and review replays to spot consistent timing errors and correct them quickly. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it as hands-off as practicing rhythm, and it learns your rooms so you can focus on improving scores. It's a neat helper between sessions and super handy for messy desks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on short, targeted practice sessions to build muscle memory without burning out. Pick a problematic pattern, slow the map if available, and repeat that section until accuracy improves. Record or watch your replays to find recurring misses and adjust aim or timing accordingly. Alternate between speed and precision days to balance skills, and rest your hands to avoid repetitive strain while maintaining steady progress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.